to Gors Galore! Okay guys, we just got here. And we're gonna unpack. We're gonna go check that map over there. And look at this, guys. Here, let me go closer. Look at that. It's so nice over here. We're gonna be sleeping here for one day and see how it goes. Hope there's no bears. So yeah, there's just gonna be birds chirping for you. And I'm wearing my hiking shoes. Let me see your shoes. So me and my mom are wearing our hiking shoes, which is really good. They're really tight on us. That's good because like if we trip, they stay on us. So that's why they're really tight. So we're gonna be here. Gonna go look at that map.
I'm gonna check something out.
Yeah, go check. It's really hot. So
It's really hot.
yeah, no dogs. Pets must be. Yeah.
Hello. How are you guys doing today? Very nice Saturday. Right?
So that's the
Okay,
map.
I'm not sure. Wait a second.
No cars, no vehicles.
Oh, okay.
Pets must be last. What did I say, last?
Yeah.
No fireworks, no. Yeah. Of course we shouldn't have fires because it's hot. Those mountains.
Not sure.
These mountains are pretty, you guys.
They're pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah. By any chance, do you know how to get a starter? How to get the starter plan one? It's like a little trail and it's close to where it says you are here, but I'm not sure if I might go in the wrong area. I think it might be down.
Wait, guys. Hey guys, so we're here. We just got here to the place we were finding.
Yes, so now we're gonna go hiking
Yeah, and I'm so
to find this little waterfall.
Yeah. I hope it's down here somewhere.
Yep.
So yeah. You guys ready?
You guys ready for this? No.
And later,
I got my backpack
so later,
with some waters, you guys. And we're ready for this hike.
You kidding me?
Walk through it.
Okay, guys. Stand right here.
What's sand? Okay, let's go. Oh, look at the water is going fast. Oh, it's bad, you guys.
That feels so good.
Guys, we hear the water. And we went down there, we got our feet wet. Oh, bye, honey. Where are you going? Oh, how crazy. Look at that water. It looks so beautiful. Look at that down there. It's running so fast. Let me see your sweatiness. Let me see your face. You guys, we climbed from like, where the heck were we at? Way up there. Where that, dang, not even where that rock's at. Where that rock is, we had to climb all the way down.
Have my finger.
You're good, you did that, nice, and you're only 6. You guys, I'm sweating. Can you see this? We'll be back. Now we're on the way to the waterfall, which is that way. You guys, look at these blackberries. Here, mama, here's this one. This little girl's crazy. She just ate some, you guys. I tried it before her, so if I die, she'll die with me. That's awesome. You guys, it's so beautiful here. I love it. Look at my baby, look beautiful. Come on. So we're following it upstream, you guys. How pretty is this water?
Berries right there.
I know, Mama. This is what the bears eat. They love berries, so they come right here and get berries. Oh, look at that dragonfly right there. It's pretty.
Where is it?
That blue one, you see it on the leaf?
Where?
Right there?
Oh, that's pretty.
It's a pretty color.
Did he bite?
Maybe. Try to touch it. He flew before you could touch him. Alright, let's go, guys.
Guys,
Oh, my camera's dying.
guys,
We're having a little snack, you guys. I packed us some like sandwiches and juice and
guys,
stuff.
guess what? You have to slide down there again because
That's a little waterfall. There's a huge one over there, you guys. Like a 40-foot waterfall.
you have to slide down and that one goes fast, like zoom.
I should couldn't get up, you guys. Hey, we made it. Hey, pretty girl. Dang, that's crazy. That's so crazy. So he could grip the rocks. That's so awesome. You don't want to swim in it? Go underwater, baby. Go underwater. Swim underwater. You're scared, huh? You're shy. You don't want to? The rocks hurt your feet? That's why you should put your shoes on. That's why I have my shoes. Look at this crazy guy. You're about to use that. So it's not a rope, it's like steel wiring.
Can I go your shoulders in there?
All the way up there.
Guys,
We had to walk all the way around.
guys. No, I'm not doing it.
Go, baby. I dared her to swim underwater. Look at how tiny she is compared to the waterfall, you guys. Go, underwater, underwater. Oh my gosh, she did it, she did it. Nice, baby. She's awesome, man. I swear. I'm just too chicken, it's so cold. Look at there's a yellow robe. I want it next time, we're gonna do that. Give me your hand. Alright, guys. We made it to where the sun's at so Angel could try off. She's just cold. We walked along that rock right there. There's like a little log. The waterfall's so good. I'm gonna go back. I love it. I love it. No, I said I'm gonna go back.
Well, you're cold.
You could go in that water too. Sure, you want to videotape me?
No.
Videotape
No.
me in this water.
No. I don't know why she's doing this. So mad. I dropped it! Mama! Okay, guys, we're gonna go back. Meanwhile.
do it. Yay, Mama! You did it! She's gonna climb up, you guys. Can you climb up? Let's see how her rock climbing is, you guys. Try to look around. What's a good area to climb up? You need help? Why don't you try going that way? Look around. What if I'm not here? How would you be able to do it? Why don't you try that way? You need help? All right. Oh my God, you guys. We survived that. We accomplished that. High five, Mama. Nice, baby.
Guys, guess what? I took a video when we were going over there to the waterfall. I haven't told you guys, but I did touch the river. Like, I saw a little part from the thing. I hope I find another one.
Alright, you guys. We made it back.
Hey.
Hey, my babe. You want to come in the front, Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, we're just having a little eat break. A little snack break.
Should I go around?
No, just come through. Jump over, Mama.
We're having a little eat break, you guys.
Yes.
Because
we're tired, you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, my legs are killing me.
Yeah.
That was really good, Mama. I'm very happy.
yeah.
You did that. Her first rock climbing, you guys.
Yeah, my first rock climbing.
Pretty darn awesome, if you ask me.
Is this cheese? What kind of cheese is this?
String cheese that's cut up, I guess.
Guys, look at this cheese.
It's
It's
such a
really
good-
weird. It looks like an apple cut like differently. It looks weird. I thought it came with apples. I thought these were apples.
Yeah?
I thought it came with 2 hours, but it
How
wasn't.
cute. Look how tiny the string cheese are. And they're swirly too.
Oh my god, guys. I made
I
it.
made it a chicken wrap, you guys.
Yeah. I didn't want it, mine, because...
We're gonna head to another, it's like a dark tunnel.
Yeah, it's spooky. We saw some people like didn't want to go in it because they were too
They were too
scared,
scared,
I
huh?
guess.
Mm-hmm. They were being chicken butts.
Yeah, they were chickens. So whoever's a chicken,
So we're gonna try it, you guys.
whoever's a chicken has to get a chicken head hat.
Mm-hmm.
People over there. Hi. Hi. Hey guys.
We came to this other area
We're,
between one tunnel. I didn't know the tunnel. We're headed down there, you guys.
so guys,
We heard there was a spooky tunnel.
Guys, so we're going to a dark tunnel. We saw a video of it, and
We think it's down here. We're not sure.
to go to the waterfall and to go in the dark tunnel. And after, when it's really nighttime, we're gonna spend the night here. I keep telling you, this reminds you guys. This reminds
We
you.
don't know if we're spending the night. We'll see.
So, yeah. And when it's 3 a.m., we're gonna come here. When it's really dark, we're gonna come, and then after, we're gonna go when it's 3 a.m. See what's happening.
I think we found it.
So we found it. Wait, let me take a little peek. Let me take a little peek.
Okay, is that it? Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, it's cold in here. My light doesn't even penetrate anything. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, you can kind of see. Oh, be careful where you step, Mama. I almost twisted my freaking ankle. Oh. I'm so ready. Trash just comes in here. Oh, I think Move.
Oh, look at this engine. See what's over here?
Ooh.
That's gossipy.
I think you should be inhaling this stuff. I put A plus A, you guys. Okay, leave them alone.
Is the engine over there?
Guys, got towards the ending, you
I
guys.
don't know where those guys.
Didn't just come up. I'm gonna turn this off. I don't need it. We don't need the flashlight. Careful. The water comes through here and falls.
There's a lot of trash here.
Yeah, beer bottles, people drink here. Looks like they come and have a barbecue here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's where all the trash ends up, you guys. That's where, like, I guess there's a little bit of water that comes through here, but not now. It's dry.
Look at all these ants. Nope, I'm not doing that.
Nope, you are not gonna do it. This is awesome. It's so pretty. Her head is back. You okay? You hurt your leg?
Yeah.
Careful. We made it, we made it.
This is where the haunted zone is.
The haunted zone.
There's really not much here.
There's really not much. We're just hiking now, you guys.
Yeah, we just want to see through here.
Just woods, wilderness.
Yeah.